Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be making this delicious simple low-carb oatmeal recipe. Often referred to as noatmeal, there are absolutely no oats, but you would swear that there was plenty. The carefully selected ingredients help maintain the rich oatmeal texture. You'll need about 5 minutes, 3 minutes prep and 2 minutes for cooking. Okay, let's dive into the list of ingredients, shall we? You are going to need 6 tablespoons hemp hearts, 2 teaspoons chia seeds, 1 teaspoon cinnamon or vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons heavy cream, 1/3 cup water, and 1 tablespoon granular sweetener. And now, the instructions. Add all the ingredients into a bowl that is microwave safe. Place it in your microwave and cook on high for 2 minutes. Then remove the bowl from the microwave. Congratulations! Your oatmeal is ready. Serve with your toppings of choice. Any low-carb fruits such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries will do. With only 3.5 grams of net carbs, this oatmeal is delicious even without any toppings. Enjoy it guilt-free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious simple keto recipes. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description box for my favorite keto resources.